Hello, we are going to see some activities related to the three theoretical frameworks that were proposed by Stern in 1992. It is important to understand that we should have a middle path in the application of its principles. The population of these activities is level A1 and also is in the fourth semester at university studying English. We have two activities. On the first one, we will see and analyze the dimensions intralingual and cross-lingual, and also analytic and experiential. On the second activity, we will show and analyze the dimension explicit and implicit. Let's see.
Good afternoon, guys. Our topic for today is my name is. Repeat after me. My name is. My name is Maria Jose. Repeat after me. My name is. Very good, guys. You, Maria Jose. What is your name? Teacher, my name is Maria Jose. And now tell me, what's your name?
Hi, teacher. My name is Sonia.
Excellent. Right answer.
Now we're going to analyze the intralingual and cross-lingual dimension based on the activity that we have seen. First, we have the intralingual dimension. It's focused on keeping the first and the second language separate. We cannot teach using both of them on a class. This is useful in advanced stages. It means when we have more knowledge about the second language. For this reason, we are not using this strategy on the activity that we have seen. On a second place, we have the cross-lingual dimension. Here the second language is acquired and known through the use of the first language. This cross-lingual dimension is really useful for initial stages of language learning. So, in this activity that we have seen, we used the cross-lingual dimension. Remember that our level of the students was A1.
Okay, the analytical strategy involves and focus on explicit forms of language such as grammar, as you can see here, and vocabulary. In the activity of telling our names, the analytical strategy was exposed in the process of the students by meeting with a construction of a simple sentence that was, "What's your name?" In this sentence, we found that the student's process was knowing like some notions and how a second language works. Also, with this simple sentence and with this simple grammar structure, the analytical strategy was emphasizing in a communicative context interaction. Okay, guys, here we have some plurals and singular pronouns. Yes, we have my, me, name is. That means when we have one person, we use is. Another example, your name is. Tu nombre es. These ones are the singular ones, okay? And we always use is when it's one person, okay? But we also have the plural ones. So here we have they, names, here we see an S, are. When we have more than one people, we use are because it's plural. Our names are. Nuestros nombres son. Okay? Okay, now I have a question for you. Which sentence is the correct one? The first one? Your name are Pepe? Or the second one? Your name is Pepe. Excellent! Right answer.
Now let's see another activity.
Okay guys, now we're going to see how to say some things that we like. Muy bien chicos, ahora vamos a aprender a decir algunas cosas que nos gustan. I will give you an example. I like eating an apple, a banana, and also some grapes. Now we're going to have a vocabulary lesson. Ahora vamos a tener una lección de vocabulario. Let's continue. Well, hi, we're going to have our vocabulary lesson. First, we have how to say manzana. Manzana in English is apple. Next, we have banano. Banano in English is banana. And then we have uvas. Uvas en inglés son grapes. Repeat after me. Apple. Very good. Banana. Excellent. Grapes. Perfect. Okay, Maria Jose, can you tell me what do you like using this previous vocabulary? I will hear you.
Teacher, I really like the apples.
Taking into account the first and the second activity, I'm going to explain the explicit and implicit dimension. First, we need to know that the language can be explicit or implicit. If it is implicit, it is because we have a conscious learning. And if it is implicit, it is because we have a subconscious acquisition. we can use them at the same time. It depends on the language topic, course objective, characteristic of the student's needs, age, maturity, and previous experiences. We're going to see a list of the explicit and implicit dimension. First, I'm going to start with the characteristics of the explicit dimension. Some of them are: first, the explicit dimensional is rational or formal. We have a conscious learning. We also have the cognitivism and the inferencing. Finally, we have the systematic study, and we can deliberate. We have the implicit dimension. Here we have the intuitive. Also, we have the subconscious acquisition. After, we have the behaviorism. Next, we have the mimicry and memory. Finally, we have the exposure to language in use. And concluding, we have the incidental.
Okay, in conclusion, these three dimensions allow teachers to look at language teaching and learn from a new perspective by going deeper on the different characteristics that this framework present us. Also, even if we are experts or inexperts by teaching or being teachers, this framework of three-dimensional processes have principles that are adaptable and also are applicable in different contexts of teaching.